Last you saw us, we were packing up at Threadbow Diggings campground, trying to sort out our smashed canopy window, which it was just a super annoying situation. Basically, it got jammed open and then Nick went to shut it and it exploded. The glass was everywhere. There were kids around everywhere. We were meticulously picking like little pieces of glass out of the ground, like right near a walkway. And disappointingly, nobody came to help us. There was a thunderstorm a few minutes away. We were running around the campsite looking for gaffer tape and plastic and anything to sort of patch the side where our fridge is. And we were feeling pretty beaten, to be honest. So we called up our beautiful friends Eliza and Luke and we stayed last night with them in Canberra. And we also, on our way there, bought a drone because we got 1,500 subscribers. So thank you so much for that. And that was kind of Nick's promise to me, is that we could get a drone. So we've had a massive morale boost and we're continuing on with the trip. We've just pulled up to Pretty Beach and we're going to see how pretty the beach actually is.
What do you reckon, mate? You're pretty excited.
Yay!
Let's go. Oh, she's pretty rough.
It doesn't look good for swimming today.
Is it pretty?
It's pretty and the sand is soft and white and beautiful. Pretty happy here and very happy that we didn't call the trip off after the window fiasco. I'll link the video. Pretty Beach is such an affordable and well-equipped site for families. They have great bathrooms with $1 showers, a laundry and a clothesline, sinks for washing up, bins, level sites, lots of wildlife, and the proximity to the beach was amazing.
It's pretty close.
What a way to wake up. Oh, hi. Looks like he's like, no, I don't want to get out of bed.
A roo?
He still looks so silly.
A roo?
I feel like you'd pay good money for this experience at Taronga or something. A little coffee. Coffee and a kanga. Neat. Bye. Thanks for visiting.
Bird?
He said duck.
They're not birds.
It's not a duck.
They're not ducks, mate. Masked lapwings. Masked lapwings.
Say masked lapwing.
No, they're ducks, Dad. They're ducks, Dad.
It's duck. A duck.
It's got wings, it's a duck.
Now every bird is a
Mate.
duck. Show me your tongue. Time to break out the shake and bake pancakes.
Maybe the little one's just hanging out in there because that's like where it hangs out while Mum's out and about. And there's a lizard comes over.
Where's your mummy kangaroo?
What is it?
Oh. Oh.
Where's your mama? Yeah, it's a lizard. The goanna's in there.
Oh.
Because there it is there, see it?
Baby.
Number 7.
Oh my gosh, that is the cutest kangaroo I've ever seen. Hi, Rui.
Oh, there's another good one.
Oh. Oh. You're okay, bud. Oh, there, I think there's Mama.
Yeah.
Oh.
And there's another little Joey, like a bigger Joey.
That's. Do you like it here, Mr. Owen?
Can you see them? Can you see both of them?
Oh, look. It's like your little Ruiz.
It's the same one.
Oh my gosh, this one's lost too. It's upside down. Is that like your Ruiz?
It's the same ones.
And they're over there.
What was that? What was that?
You can probably smell your lunch. know.
What was that?
I feel like you last heard from us at breakfast yesterday, and just after that we had some amazing friends that we stayed with in Canberra come visit. They drove nearly 3 hours to come and spend the day with us here at Pretty Beach. So we didn't really do any filming, we just hung out with them. And today we're contemplating what we do because there's some bad weather coming, but we have got sort of tonight and tomorrow night here. So we're just gonna have a walk on the beach and make a plan. How cold on a scale of Port Douglas to Thredbo River?
It's like Gingy. It's pretty cold, but it's not Thredbo cold yet.
We've decided to slowly start packing up, stay tonight, and head off first thing in the morning. So finish the trip one day early. I have a 2-week camping trip with the baby, but we'll touch on how it really was a bit later. So we packed up and had our last supper. Yeah, that's why we packed up early, and we packed everything up. We just literally have to shut the tent. Thank goodness. Because we don't want to pack up in the rain again. So it's about 6:30 and we're just all woken up and we're getting ready and we're gonna go. We're gonna hit the road. We're drenched. Get us out of here. And we're off.
We're off to get some coffee.
Oh my gosh, a real coffee. We can never resist a breakfast pie, and Hayden's are so good. I think from the get-go, we realised a 2-week camping road trip in a rooftop tent with a 10-month-old baby might be somewhat challenging. And we certainly hadn't factored in how much the broken airbeds, smashed canopy window, leaking tent and bad weather would hurt our morale. On reflection though, it wasn't camping with a baby that made it difficult at all. It was just one of those trips. And to be honest, as far as camping with a baby goes, this trip really went incredibly well. So if you're wanting to get out there and make memories with your family, all we have to say is do it.